The relationship between price, expenditure and consumption is a very important trick in percentages idea. So in order to understand this relationship, let's get through a small example. Let's assume that I'm having 100 rupees with me and I'm planning to buy chocolates which is worthy of 5 rupees each for this 100 rupees. So how many chocolates I'll be able to buy? I'll be able to buy 20 chocolates, right? And what if the price of the chocolate increases to 10 rupees? In such case, if I'm planning to buy chocolates worthy for 100 rupees, how many chocolates can I buy? I'll be able to buy just 10 chocolates, right? From this example, what can we understand? If the price of an item increases by some value, if I need to maintain my expenditure as a constant, I have to reduce my consumption. Am I right? Similarly, in case if the price of an item reduces by some value and if I need to maintain my expenditure as a constant, I can increase my consumption, right? So this is the first thing which we need to understand from this example. In order to understand this concept a bit further, let's take a couple of examples. Case number 1. The price of petrol increases by 20%. If so, by how much percentage I should reduce my consumption so that I can maintain my same expenditure level? First, let's see the trick for this type of questions. First of all, convert this percentage into fraction. And what is 20% in terms of fraction? 1 by 5. Now, in order to check or find out the reduction in consumption, keep the numerator of this fraction as it is. So that is equivalent to 1 divided by. Since the price is increased by 20%, find the sum of this numerator and denominator terms. And what is that? 6. What is 1 by 6 in terms of percentage? From the fraction to percentage conversion table, we know that this is equivalent to 16.66%, right? Now the point is very simple. If the price of the petrol increases by 20%, I should reduce my consumption of petrol by 16.66%. That's all. Now let's see this trick in a general way. If the price of an item increases by x by y percentage, the consumption has to be reduced by x plus y percentage. That's all. Say for example, if the price of something is increased by 50%, what are we supposed to do? First step, convert the percentage into fraction. 1 by 2. X is 1 and y is 2. Now the consumption has to be reduced by x plus y percentage, right? So 1 upon 1 plus 2. And what is that? 1 by 3 percentage, the consumption has to be reduced. And what is 1 by 3 in terms of percentage? That is equivalent to 33.33%. So it's better we know this trick in our mind. So when the price of something increases by x by y percentage, the consumption can be reduced by x plus y percentage. Let's move on to the case number 2. If the price of an item reduces by 20%, by how much percentage can I increase my consumption so that I can maintain my same expenditure value? The same idea, first of all, convert this percentage into fraction. So what is 20% in terms of fraction? 1 upon 5, right? Now, in order to find out by how much percentage I can increase my consumption, very simple, keep the numerator as it is. So 1 can be kept as 1 divided by. The price of the item is reduced by 20%. So there is a reduction happening, right? Find the difference between this numerator and denominator. And what is that going to be? 4, right? So this gives us that 1 by 4 as a fraction, right? What is 1 by 4 in terms of percentage? From the fraction to percentage conversion table, we know that this is equivalent to 25%, right? Now, if the price of an item reduces by 20%, the consumption can be increased by 25%. That's all. Now let's assume a general form for this case number 2. If the price of an item is reduced by x by y percentage, okay, the consumption can be increased by x by y minus x percentage. That's all. Say for example, if the price of an item is reduced by, let's say, 50%, what is 50% in terms of fraction? 1 upon 2. So the x value is clearly 1, the y value is 2. We should increase the consumption by how much percentage? X is 1 divided by y minus x. So 2 minus 1, that is 1 again. What is the percentage equivalent of 1 by 1? From the fraction to percentage conversion table, we clearly know that 1 by 1 is equivalent to 100%, right? So if the price of an item is reduced by 50%, we can increase the consumption by 100%. So always keep these two ideas in your mind. If the price of an item increases by x by y percentage, in order to maintain the expenditure as constant, you can reduce the consumption by x plus y percentage. Alright. Similarly, if the price of an item is reduced by x by y percentage, and if we need to maintain the expenditure as a constant value, we can increase the consumption by x by y minus x percentage. That's all. If we keep these ideas in our mind, it's going to be very useful in solving such kinds of questions, just like that in a couple of seconds.